Hey guys, this is going and I'm going to go. Carla. Say hi, Carla. No, okay.
Hi.
What'd she say?
Yeah.
We can stay outside? Promise? No.
Carla, what'd you say?
I don't know. She said it softly, so we can stay outside. Okay, so it was snowing out yesterday, and
All day.
yeah.
So I'm going to try to slide down.
And this is the whole backyard, guys. This is the whole backyard.
Yeah. You guys, I did something yesterday. Don't delete it. I did something yesterday. And I was sliding down this thing. So I'm just going to fix this. Get snow on my boot because yesterday snow got in my boot and it was freezing cold. Hey. Whoa!
Epic fail. Epic fail. Epic fail. Epic fail.
No, get off of me, snow. Get off of me, snow.
So that's her footprints going all the way up.
Don't try this at home, guys.
Because it's
You
dangerous.
guys literally just saw how I almost got stuck on.
Whoa!
And we're gonna record us going all the way over there, but not right now because we're waiting for our parents. Come on, parents.
Our family.
Watch out right there. So I'm gonna show you how I got over here. Guys.
I can't even see a lot because the sun
Jimmy,
here.
so I'm gonna record my brother now doing it. I'm stuck in, guys. I'm stuck in my own footprint. I can barely get up here, and then my dog's pee was right there.
Don't show them the private. Like the
So, you guys, I'm gonna jump in the snow. But my brother shouldn't attempt what I did, so go. Wait, hold on, don't go yet.
Now can I go?
Yeah. So he's gonna go sliding. He's gonna fall. Go! No, you have to slide down!